So once again, solving by using the quadratic formula. In this case, we have 4a squared minus 2a plus 8 equals 0. So we can simplify things a little bit if we notice everything is divisible by 2. All factors are divisible by 2. 4, -2, and 8. So let's simplify this a little bit because it'll come out in the wash anyway after the fact, and divide everything by 2 to give us 2a squared minus a plus 4 equals 0. So a equals negative b, so negative -1. If we look at it, break it down into ax squared plus bx plus c, it's a little confusing because the variable is a. But in terms of the coefficients in the quadratic formula, a equals 2, b equals -1, and 4 equals c. So negative b is going to be negative -1, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so -1 squared, minus 4 times 2, the leading coefficient, times c, which in this case is 4, all divided by 2 times a, or in this case 2 times 2. So then we just simplify through all of this. That equals 1 plus or minus the square root of -1 squared is just 1. Minus 4 times 2 times 4 is 8 times 4 is 32. So 1 minus 32 all over 2 times 2 is 4. It equals 1 plus or minus the square root of -31. Which is the square root of 31 times I. And that's all over 4. So a equals 1/4 minus the square root of 31 times I over 4, or a equals 1/4 plus the square root of 31 times I over 4. And you can check these by substituting them into the original equation, and you'll see that they do make the original equation a true statement.